Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install a boxing event map into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the map which you are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. So you can see the preview of the map over here, as you can see. So to download the map, we just need to click over here. Now we will get into the texture of the QBCore map. You just need to click over here and get the map. After downloading it, you just need to extract the file into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here, just like this. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and this is the boxing arena map which is over here, as you can see. So this is the location in the map where the boxing arena located. So over here you can see the boxing arena. This is the area of audience, and this is the area of DJ, as you can see over here. And this is the main boxing arena over here, as you can see. So you can use this map to host an event into your FiveM server. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.